How to avoid potassium deficiency and keep your body healthy. Symptoms, causes, and remedies. Potassium deficiency can increase the risk of kidney and bone problems. Know how to fulfill it. To keep the body healthy and fit, it is necessary to consume various types of nutrients daily. Potassium is also one such essential macromineral. Potassium plays an important role in keeping the kidneys, heart, bones, and nervous system healthy and facilitating their functions. The daily requirements of this nutrient can be easily met through diet. The condition of very low potassium levels in the body is known as hypokalemia, which can cause problems such as constipation, heart problems, fatigue, and muscle weakness. To keep the body healthy, 4,700 milligrams of potassium are required daily. In such a situation, those things should be included in the daily diet, which can easily fulfill the requirements of this essential nutrient. Let us know how the risk of problems can be caused by potassium deficiency, along with how to meet its needs. Digestive problems. Low potassium levels in the body can increase digestive problems. Potassium deficiency can weaken the digestive system, which prevents the proper digestion of food. In this situation, problems like bloating and constipation can occur. Digestive problems are considered quite common in the condition of hypokalemia. It can also increase the number of chronic problems. Muscle problems. Potassium also plays an important role in keeping the muscles healthy. Potassium sends messages from the brain to the muscles and controls muscle contractions. Potassium deficiency can also increase the risk of intestinal problems. In this situation, it becomes difficult to expel waste materials from the intestines. To avoid such problems, be sure to consume potassium. Blood pressure problem. Potassium deficiency in the body can also cause an increase in blood pressure. Potassium helps to relax the blood vessels. In such a situation, its deficiency can damage the vessels. People who have high blood pressure problems are advised by doctors to reduce sodium intake and increase potassium intake. High blood pressure can increase the risk of heart disease for a long time. How do I fulfill potassium? To meet the daily requirements of potassium, special attention should be given to a healthy and balanced diet. Include more and more things rich in vitamins and minerals in your diet. Dried fruits like raisins and apricots, beans, lentils, potatoes, spinach, broccoli, avocado, and fruits like bananas are considered to be good sources of potassium. Be sure to include these things in your diet. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.